Kalimera, which is good morning in Greek. We're at an Asian site and my sunglasses are broke, so that's why I'm not wearing them. And I'm at the top of an amphitheater and it's really high. But I've been to a higher one, so it's okay. But it looks so lovely. And it's really weird because if my mom talks down there, I can hear her. So that's really funny. But that's what we're going to do today, watch this Asian side, and then we're going back to the house, and then we're going to relax and whatever, I don't know. Oh, also something totally not holiday related. We are on number 7 for a house, so hopefully we're the lucky ones, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll hopefully get my father-in-law to watch the house for us, because if we don't go, then it definitely won't be ours, because people who don't watch it, who don't come, won't get the house. So I need to persuade him somehow, or otherwise my uncle or something. But anyways, I'm going to enjoy the rest. Turtle! How cool!
Nee, ik heb hem nog niet.
My boyfriend walked right past it and I was like, didn't you see that, or did you just ignore it? But now it's awake because we wanted some pictures with it. But it's free to go now. Bye, lovely! The second one, same size, I think.
Ook very much alive.
Hi friend.
Er is daar nog meer in het gras.
Ja, mijn vinger zit op het gras niet.
Yeah, that's okay.
Hi. Hi. Is er eentje?
Look at the kittens playing outside. It's so cute. That's why I want kittens, and I want 2 of them. We're many hours further, and I had a 1.5 hour nap at least, and it was delicious, oh delicious, lovely, and I woke up feeling like it was Tuesday already, but alright.
Het is de meest bekende uit China.
We're now having dinner.
Dat niet per se zin op te maken.
Nearby at sea, and it's really funny looking at people.
Maar hij smaakt wel echt naar.
We have a dog stealing our bread. But it's okay because we had way too much. So he's enjoying it, so we're happy too. It's Tuesday morning, or it's been 12 o'clock. I think I slept around the clock because I went to bed around 12, or went to sleep around 12, and I woke up just a bit before 12 because people thought it was needed to wake me up, bitches. But yeah, and I have this huge allergic reaction to one of the mosquito bites, and it's just insane how much I've been bitten on my legs and on the back here. This back, one of them I had a circle, but I don't know which one. This one. This is supposed to be sort of a circle. And I've been bitten here and here too, and whatever. Just looks like I have a crazy disease now. I'm going to have my breakfast. Homemade spaghetti! Oh, I'm zooming in. And boyfriend, who's sitting here, is going to make a moussaka out of the oven, pre-made, because he doesn't like spaghetti. Here it is, Sis Moussaka.
Oh, die zit in de...
How cool! They're playing basketball and they have places to sit. And everybody's outside. Something you don't see in the Netherlands anymore. Because all the kids are at home behind their phones and TVs and laptops and computers and PCs playing games and stuff. But I prefer this. And while we're shopping now, or walking around, is because we're looking citronella candles against the mosquitoes. Because I've been picked a million times already. And it sucks and everybody's being picked and we need to get rid of those things. Not at our house, please. You're playing football. All ages playing football together. I love it. Good morning. We're in a rush because we wanted to leave like 15 minutes ago, but we're always late when we plan to go. But I didn't have much luck yesterday. My snake bite started to infect. I have a huge reaction on a mosquito bite, and I cut open my toe when I was at the beach. So yeah, that was my luck yesterday. Hopefully we have a better day today. And we're going to walk into some caves, so that must be lovely. I hope I can film there, and if not, then not. It's rather easy, but we're going to try. And he's having his breakfast. Some Fredo cappuccino and his bugazza, which I'm not allowed to touch anymore now. We found water and a little waterfall. We're in. And it's 10 degrees colder right away. 10? 20? 30? At least we cool down now. I'm going this way. Yes. Oh, lovely. Mind your heads. It's deep up there, or high. And that looks like a place to walk up to, but we can't come there, so... Someone is trying to get to the other side, but it must be really, really cold and really, really hard. It's a long way. And it's a long, long way to go. We have to bend. Oh. Nee, dat is heel fijn.
Je moet ook andersom.
You're stupid. How big? And it's a bit echoey here. And we have to bend again. Yes, I can walk straight up again. And then we have this. Oh, cool! and it's a million degrees hotter right away. No, but it's warmer outside. It was really nice and it was really fun to look at. And now we're going to sit at a place and have a drink because we're all thirsty and I'm a bit hungry too. So I'm going to try to eat something because otherwise I may fall from a chair. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but there was a tree in the middle of the road for our site. But we're looking for a bakery and that might be hard to find. It's a cute little village, which is actually called big. But it isn't. No, the pigeons will fly away. And the boys found something flying, or not flying, but
zijn er 2 volgens mij.
yeah, there are 2. Far away. And trying to make some pictures. You haven't found a bakery. And these puppies are barking at me. They're so cute. That's the daddy. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. We're not going to bark, are we? Hi. Hi. Hi, Daddy. Hi. 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 It is. Oh God. And I've got a puppy. I got a problem. Hey! You bastards! He took my place. You took my place. I have a problem. I have 3 puppies.
I'll drive past them, you can shoot them.
I'm going to shoot them. Doei! I'm gonna live with you guys. Bye bye. Of course, it's many hours later and we did find a bakery, but we just went to the usual one nearby. And after that we came home, then everybody went swimming besides me because I wanted to relax, do some cleanups here and read because I usually read a lot during my holiday and now I didn't. And then they came home with food and then I showered and tried to shave my legs because they were like a jungle where Tarzan could have the time of his life. Now it's better. And now we're going to sleep and tomorrow we're going to some waterfalls, so I don't know what I'm going to film or will be able to film because my camera of course isn't really waterproof. Did I forget anything? Honey? Don't know. Can you move something? I'll see you tomorrow morning, I think. Good morning! Hopefully I come downstairs and I can make a cup of tea for myself right away. Teacup. And then it's trying to pour good. And this goes better than the last time. Oh no, it didn't. A whole lot of water just went besides it. But that's okay. We're going to try and find the waterfalls. If we are going to find them isn't sure, but we're going to try. So I'm going to leave you behind now because I will probably let you fall in the water if we find it. So that's not a good plan. So I'll see you, maybe I'll add some pictures my dad made with the water camera, or maybe we filmed a clip with the water camera. But maybe I'll insert that, but otherwise I'll see you when we come back. And hopefully I found the waterfall, but we'll have to see. We walked for about an hour and then we found a sign that it still was 1.5 kilometers. Kilometers or something. But we didn't want to walk that because we took, you know, an hour for 500 meters or so. So, nope. The guys walked back to the car and we walked straight up to the road and they picked us up, and now we're going to look for another road to the waterfalls. And if we don't find it, then we don't.
Ja, het is zware moeder te duur.
Ah, we found a waterfall!
Nee,
Or at least we're getting close.
je staat hier 2 kilometer.
Daar gaat het pad heen.
Second try.
Als jullie nou allemaal even onder die boom blijven staan.
Plans changed. The waterfall is dried, so not much to swim. So we're now going
Mag ik de kaart
to a
even?
hot water, to a place where there comes hot water out of the ground in the sea.
Thermals.
I don't know.
Wat spring
Terms, whatever. That's where we're going, or that's what we're going to find. Hopefully it works better than this, because I really need to cool down in the sea. Everybody does. We can already smell the water, and I hear a little waterfall, and hopefully this will work out better than the other one. But there were bathing houses around here, but they're no longer in use. But there we have a waterfall place. Can you see a water snake?
Yes.
And a smaller one somewhere there.
Naar mijn mening.
There.
Stuk of 5, 6 waterslangen.
We found it! It's down there. I went in already, but it's bloody hot, and the walk isn't really safe for me to take my camera with me. So I kept Sjarlie car, but it was really lovely. It was warm, and I have a great new profile picture, I hope. And I caught a frog, because there are a whole lot of water frogs or whatever frogs swimming around here, and I caught one and of course let it free afterwards. But I think this was a lovely place when it was used as a dog place. Almost fell down. And now I am going to try to get dressed to go back home or find a bakery or whatever. But I'm going to get dressed, sorta. Having dinner, and the view is amazing. It's really beautiful.
Die champignons zien lekker uit, zeg.
I got the pork souvlaki, and they share a mixed grill together.
Tzatziki.
Our friendly neighborhood geckos.
Can you see them?
Yeah, you can see them when they move. They make noises and sometimes we see them out of their hiding spots, like now for a bit. The other day Luna ate a gecko and I was crying because I thought it was really sad that she ate a gecko. because I think they're really cute and animals should be saved. And still, I'm not a vegetarian, but alright. Mixed ideas, I suppose. Good Saturday! I'm lying in bed inside, not sincerely because I don't want to be outside, but they found a wasp nest outside, just I'm kidding. So I don't want to be there because I am allergic for mosquito bites, so the chances are that I'm also allergic for wasp bites. Also because my mom is, and she also can't be outside. So yeah, I'm laying in her bed, she's laying in my father's bed, and my sister is sitting on a couch, I believe. And what are you looking for?
Suitcases.
Oh, you're going to see if they fit in the car.
Yes.
Ah. But we already did the shopping for today, tomorrow, and hell would we buy a lot of stuff. Like a lot. But alright, and we bought my sister's birthday gifts, and I don't know where they left them, so hooray! And now I'm reading about vegetarian food and stuff because I'm considering to reduce my meat income or just stop it totally, but I don't know yet. It will be a hard one and rather difficult with my boyfriend because he's just such a meat lover. He's so happy with meat and stuff. And I won't give up milk or anything because they're not dead cows. And yeah, I love my old cheese and stuff, so I'm not going to switch to get off that, mainly because the fact that in other places cows are well, the fact that other cows are treated badly doesn't mean all the cows are, and I know places where they treat cows good. And also, it turns out to be a lot healthier to eat less meat, so it will be good for me. But I'm going to look into that and, you know, find information and find a way to eat less meat at least. And it's cheaper because I think veggies are cheaper than how are those things called? Than meat overall. Then we can just buy 2 pieces of meat and put one in the freezer and one not, and then my boyfriend can eat both of them. That's a good one. Especially since we're just going our own way together and you know, getting a house soon hopefully, and we do our grocery shopping together or for ourselves, together for ourselves, you know, for 2 of us, instead of my parents or his father doing it. So yeah, but I'm going to read into it now. And this was a long ramble. Wasp nest is somewhere up there, and since there's one flying around me, I'm quickly going farther away from it. Oh, there's one. They're huge. I'm zoomed in, by the way. Oh, it's gone. Good Sunday morning! And we're beginning with a huge grasshopper today. In the back of the car. Hi, friends! So, we're going to look for waterfalls again. Hopefully we'll find a proper one this time, because last time we had a waterfall but it was dried up. and we had a fight about who was going to sit in front, and clearly I didn't win. Nor did my mom or my sister, who should be sitting here. And I don't have the smallest bum. Because we're taking sizes of our bums, who had the biggest bum. And well, it wasn't me, but I also had the smallest. But alright. We found a turtle again. Oh, a peeing turtle. Hi turtle.
Hij piest in zijn broek van de angst.
Since we're in Greece, this is the road to the waterfalls. Just bumpy, non-official, but kind of official road. And we're not the only one, so we know we're going the right way, but still.
Where are you from?
Hollandia.
Oh, Hollandia.
We're in the back of pickup truck all together.
Kan hij niet. He's her boyfriend.
That's my boyfriend, this is my parents and my sister. We've arrived. This is freaking busy. It's really beautiful. Cool. Also, for the way back, we were lucky enough to be on the back of the pickup truck, which was really cool. And now we're at a water thing, and there you can fill your water bottles for free, and it usually is pretty nice and clean water out of the mountains. So I'm going to help before they're going to complain that I'm not doing anything. Oh, let's get out of this car. Oh, it's so warm. Really lovely weather. And a beautiful view again. The view from up here. It's amazing. Lunchtime, and we dropped Mom and my sis. So I'm going to the boys now, to our favorite bakery nearby to get some lunch. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah, okay, they're hungry. This is our favorite bakery. How lovely! There was a man coming to the beach selling donuts, and this is one with Nutella inside, and it looks really cute. It's next morning again. Yet again I've got to end the vlog. I hope you had a lovely week. I did. Of course. And yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss my future vlogs. And also make sure to check out my previous vlogs and videos and stuff, because I worked pretty hard on them. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye!